Yo, what up guys, TTarantox here, and I've been recently nitpicking the camera quality of the camera that I've been using for content, for just YouTube videos and mainly for streaming. As you probably know, I always love using green screen because I don't like to block too much of the content when it comes to gameplay. So I've been looking at like the quality of things, and I'm not exactly, I wasn't exactly pleased with like the image and all that. I created a LUT, which I do have applied now. I could turn it off. You know, it's changed some things, made it a little bit better. But what I have, if you want to know specs, I have the a6000 or the Sony a6000, and I think the issue is that I'm using a kit lens, which has the max aperture opening of an f3.5, but right now I'm zoomed in slightly. So it's, I think it's set in an f4, and I have it set to do auto ISO. And I'm shooting at, I believe, 1/125 shutter speed, because you can go to the double thing. Anyway, that's tech stuff, not for here. But recently, I thought, what if I just used an iPhone? I think the iPhone looks really good, so I'm gonna toss that in and see exactly how I enjoy that. And it's gonna go side by side. So after this, I want to just let me know, what is your opinion? Do you like this image from the Sony a6000? With the kit lens? I would totally get another lens, but lenses are expensive. Can't afford a lens with a wider aperture. So we're gonna switch over to the iPhone. Well, this is an iPhone 13. So let's switch over now. All right, so here I am. This is the iPhone 13 running through the Blackmagic Camera App with just display out on the iPhone using the Lightning to digital AV, HDMI, whatever adapter. So many words, but right now I'm looking at it, I'm like, I think it looks better, but I think there's like a noticeable delay. I am unsure how well this is gonna play out or work out, but I mean, it's here. I'll throw that same LUT on that I have for my a6000, and I think it actually kind of looks a little better. I think it's better performing for low light, because I believe the aperture on the iPhone 13 is wider than that of the kit lens that I have here. This is what I was using. So I don't know, we'll see how this goes. Let me know in the comments below. Yet again, I think there's might be a slight faint lag delay, but I don't know. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know, I'm rambling at this point, but basically this was a test comparison video to see which looks better, either the a6000 or the iPhone 13. And yeah, I guess I'm out. Later.